Hello. Welcome to General Learning Room. Good morning, everybody. Are you well? In a previous class, I had to discuss about functions. Functions, predefined functions. Continue. Predefined functions have many types. Next function is string functions. A string is a group of characters. Are you already discussed in a +1 class? String functions are used to manipulate a string. The header file cstring is used for these functions. Cstring is used in a header file. Different string functions are strlen, strcpy, strcat, strcmp, and strcmpi. In detail, what is mean by strlen, strcpy, strcat, and strcmp and strcmpi? strlen function is used to find the length of a string. Example int strlen string. Okay, it is a format. Int data type strlen is a function name string in a input string. N equal to strlen computer. Which letter is used in a computer? How many letters are used? 8 letters. Shows 8 in N. That is, computer have 8 letters. strlen function is used. N gives 8. strcpy. strcpy function is used to copy the one string into another. strcpy string 1, string 2. This is a format. Once more, strcpy string 1, string 2. strcpy st, think. Copies constant string think to st. Copies constant think string copy into st. strcat function is used to join one string to another string. The length of the resultant string is the total length of the two strings. strcat string 1, string 2 is a format. Example, S1 array is used welcome. S2 array is used all. strcat S1, S2. Concatenation after the result cout S1 displays welcome all. Next one, strcmp. strcmp function is used to compare two strings. The function returns 0 if both strings are equal. Negative value if string 1 is alphabetically lower than string 2. Positive value if string 1 is alphabetically higher than string 2. strcmp string 1, string 2 is a format. Example, strcmp Ajay, Sanju returns negative because Ajay, Sanju compare. It returns negative. Next example, small, big returns positive. String 1 is bigger than string 2. Next example, strcmp aca, aca. Two strings are equal. That is returns 0. The resultant is 0. Understand? Next one, strcmpi. strcmpi function is used to compare two strings ignoring cases. In detail, the function will treat both the uppercase and lowercase letters are same for comparison. The function returns 0 if the two strings are identical. Same. A negative value if string 1 less than string 2. A positive value if string 1 greater than string 2. Format, strcmpi function string 1, comma, string 2. Example, strcmp I, Ajay, Sanju, returns negative. strcmp I small, big, returns positive. strcmp I ACE, ACE, return 0. The last example, strcmp I ACE is a small letter CE, but the string 2 ACE capital letter in CE. That is, the resultant is 0. It is ignoring the cases. Understand? Next predefined function is a mathematical function. This function is used in a header file math, CMath, math.ht in a C++. Mainly 3 mathematical functions are used in a C++: ABS, SQRT and POW. ABS returns the absolute value of an integer, SQRT returns the square root of a number, and POW is used to find power of a number. Example, ABS negative 25 returns 25, SQRT 36 returns 6, POW 2 3 returns 2 multiply in 3 times. The resultant is 8. Once more, ABS returns the absolute value of an integer. ABS int is a format, and ABS negative 25 returns the 25. SQRT returns the square root of a number. SQRT double is a format. SQRT 36 returns 6. 36 is the square root of 6. Understand? POW, it is used to find power of a number. POW double comma double means 2 arguments. First argument is used in a number and second argument is used in a power. 2 comma 3 returns 2 into 2 into 2. Result is 8. Okay. Next predefined function is a character functions. What do you mean by character functions? Character functions are used to perform various operations on characters. The header file is CC type. These functions are commonly used in a character function. Is symbol is upper, is lower, is alpha. Each digit is LNM, 2 upper, 2 lower. In name include what function are used, what task are used. Okay, in detail, is upper means the function checks if a character is in uppercase or not. The function returns 1 if the character is in uppercase and 0 otherwise. Format int is upper CHAR. Is upper capital A 1 returns is upper small letter V 0 return. Is lower, the function checks if a character is in a lowercase or not. The function returns 1 if the character is in lowercase and 0 otherwise. Format int I is lower CHAR. Is lower capital X, it returns 0. Is lower small letter b returns 1. Is alpha, this function is used to check whether the given character is in an alphabet or not. The function returns 1 if the character is in alphabet and 0 otherwise. Format int is alpha CHAR. Example, is alpha Q is written 1. Is alpha G is written 1. Is alpha 1 written 0. Is alpha $ written 0. What do you mean by the 2 examples are written 0? It is not an alphabet. Fourth character function is digit. Each digit is used to check whether it is a digit or not. The given character is check a digit or not. It returns 1 if the character is digit and 0 otherwise. In the each digit CHR is a format. is digit Q is written 0, is digit capital G written 0, is digit 1 returns 1, is digit dollar sign returns 1. Just opposite is alpha in a is digit. Is alnum. The function is used to check whether a character is alphanumeric or not. The function return 1 if the character is alphanumeric and 0 otherwise. In is alnum, CHR is an format. Is alnum Q returns 1, G returns 1, 1 returns 1, dollar sign returns 0. The last one returns 0. It is not an alphabet or number. Understand? To upper function. To upper function, it is used to convert the given character into in uppercase. Is upper is used to check, but the to upper is convert. CHAR to upper, CHAR is a format. To upper, small letter b is returns capital B. To lower, the function is used to convert the given character into its lower case. CHAR to lower, CHAR. To lower, capital Y returns small letter y. Are you understand? In these types of functions. Okay. Next class, really discussed in a user-defined functions. Okay. Are you understand? Thank you. Thank you.